What is going on, everybody? Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. How are we doing? How are we doing? Alrighty. Right now, price action, hot shit. I'll be honest. Price action is ugly. Still very ugly price action. But maybe we get some type of breakout before 350 algo here. Let's see what the GEX is saying. All right, so currently looks pretty split. So you have no idea what any of this stuff means. Only thing that makes sense is their profile. So this is positive gamma, this is negative gamma. Positive gamma is if we go down, negative gamma if we go up. I mean, we're kind of bearish already, but pretty much until we get a close below 69.63, we will remain bullish. At least bullish on the lower time frames. So with that being said, I am in the mood to scalp actually. I'm very much in the scalping mode. I got a good gauge for this price action, like we were about to see a push up. We're gonna go ahead and scalp some calls. I feel like at some point we are gonna come sweep these lows, but I definitely see this pushing up here. Scalp them. Holding back, baby, holding back. We should at least push up to daily open. We just need to hold up above 69.25. Yep, stop that. Yeah, I'm keeping the tight stop loss. This price action is not the best. Like even if we push back up, I wouldn't care. I just don't want to really have a big stop loss. Kind of pointless. Um, we have this clear as day liquidity resting down here. That at some point I think we are going to grab. I just think we should push up and probably take out recess of daily open first. Potentially even to push back into that bearish 5 minute fair value gap here. Pretty much around this 73 range, 72. Loki, I do need a green day for this account. I might just leave this account. Let me see. If this 5 minute closes below really 67, we're probably gonna see some more downside. Yeah, we're gonna chop. Um, basically 5 minutes just formed a bearish POI. We're also stuck between a bullish POI, which is letting me know the market's gonna just chop around. Um, we flip back bullish if we close above 69. We go bearish if we close below 63. As long as we're in this range, nothing to do. Like I wouldn't even scalp this range. Pretty much because the clean like A plus setup is about to present itself. So I'd rather just wait for the A plus setup than jump in right now. And we're gonna continuously chop. I guess the market is waiting for. No, we had NFP today. Tomorrow is what? What's tomorrow? CPI, unemployment claims. All right, yeah. So we're just having shitty price action. Pretty much every day. Like in the morning, decent price action. After that, very shitty price action. I would say Asia's price action's been pretty shitty as well. Um, yeah, this is just one of those times where you kind of just gotta survive. Like shit, if you're used to making, a good day, let's just say a good day is $2,000 for you. Shit, if you make 1,000, take that as a win. You have sound. I'm red for the. I can't read the rest of that. I'm red for today. Today was tough. No sound. I think there is sound. Yeah, today's price action was just hot ass. Tesla did great. Phenomenal, actually. Just had to trim 930 out the gate. Um, yeah, outside of that, no, price action was just very shitty. Like you still have a general idea of where price is gonna go. It's just the fact is, you kind of got to trade like almost like at the money. So far, still just nothing. Still just got to sit on our hands. It's very slow and steady downside. Like I wouldn't even want to trade this on futures. And we can't trade on options just because we're not fast enough. If we were able to like drag our position down like how you can on futures, then yeah, that'd be great. But considering we can't, no point in trying to scalp this. Because what's likely going to happen is the spread is going to be really wide. By the time we even flip green, we might see 5% gain. 5% gain. Obviously, we're going to be using a hefty position size. But by the time we see those profits, one little wick against us, and we're back negative. I will just try to log again if we get this close. And really, we're still just stuck in retracement on like the 15-minute. Like we haven't made a new low whatsoever. Still chopping. If we get the close below 67, we should see some retracement. How far down? Can't really gauge that. Price is not very fluid. Like obviously we go take out these lows, but are we likely going to close below those? Not really sure. And back up we go. Yeah, this is just ugly. I guess we gotta sit here and wait 30 more minutes. Price action is just chopping slow and steady. Like the fact is that we're not even displacing straight down to the clearest drawn liquidity is another reason why this price action is very alarming and not worth trading. Like the market should have been dumped down to 63.50. No, what are we doing? Finally pushed down. It's looking like it. All right. I want to see a 5 minute close below 69.63. Holy. Wow. We are still doing nothing. All right, so um, the way it's looking, either we expand in the next 4 minutes based on a new 30-minute open, or we do nothing until 3:50 algo. But so far, we're just stuck in no man's land. Like we could know where price is going, but even then, we're just not fast enough. You would literally have to have like an automatic take profit in place. Just because by the time price hits your liquidity target, you're gonna see a reversal pretty quick, and all of your profits wiped away just because it's chopped. Oh, wow, it was muted. Oh my. Um, but we closed below it. We need to see some type of pullback. Watching these 69.40 puts. Ideally, want to see a pullback back to the put trigger range. Doesn't really look like it wants to give it to us, but we'll see. All right. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This is like a starter. A couple starters. I was thinking 30. It's not gonna give us a bigger pullback. Trim some. It's coming down to these relative equal lows. PT 69.53. Respecting his 30-minute range. As long as price remains below 67, we're bearish, but obviously we don't have room to hold. Let's see if it wants to stay below 67, considering there's only 20 minutes left. Not gonna lie, based on the 1 minute, it doesn't look too good. Looks like we're gonna chop and consolidate until the 350 algo. Like if there was like an hour left into the market, we'd likely go see those relative equal lows. The fact is we don't have enough time. This thing could chop back up to the top of the range and then shoot right back down, as it's currently doing. Yeah, it's very likely we push back to the top of the range, just based on this 1 minute price action. Oh shoot, I still have the same position open. Oh. Oh. Should probably close it. Let's see. We could reject back down before, if we could shoot back below pretty much 63 here before the 350 algo, it's gonna dump very aggressively straight to those relative equal lows. It's just a matter of where is price going to close within the next 8 minutes. Bring that average down. One minute looks good for downside if it stays like this. But honestly, anything can happen in 3 minutes. Willing to risk like 400, maybe 500. Yeah, 3 minute open is ugly. Let me see. Yeah, that 3 minute open is ugly. Pretty sure it should be stopped out here. This 3 minute will tell us something. If we close above 65, we push up. If we close back below 64, we should push below. I just don't want to keep averaging down. But basically, we're going to push down. I'm in the gambling mood right now. Alrighty. So yeah, we're just gonna chop. Oh, I do gotta close this. I got 7 minutes left. Had some profits to risk. Most of the time, not really in the gambling mood, but today I'm in the gambling mood. Yeah, we just don't got enough time. Like during Globex, we're probably gonna come take out these relative equal lows, but it does look like we are probably gonna close around this range. What do you want to do in ES? What do you want to do? We got 3 minutes left. The way it's looking like we're probably gonna close within this range, within this 5 point range. Actually, 4 point range. We got 1 minute left. GG's. Not enough time. It's gonna push down. It's gonna come swoop these lows. We just don't have enough time. Probably gonna do it. Wouldn't be surprised if it does it literally the moment the market closes. Ugh. And that's the thing with trading SPX at the end of the day. You can know what the market's gonna do, but if it doesn't do it fast enough, you get cooked. There you go. You see what I mean? You see what I mean? And if we would have held, well, account would have been gone. But yeah, that's ES for you. Very, very rigged. Wow. That's actually really annoying. Let's see, what would that have been on Thinkorswim? Oh, 69.45 puts. Uh, would have been closed at 3.1, 3.2. GG's. Um, honestly, not a bad day. Just very choppy price action. Not really fluid price action, no displacement. Hopefully tomorrow does clear up and we get better price action. We do have some data coming out tomorrow, so that could lead to the market finally ready to expand. Hopefully that is the case. We'll see. But overall, great day. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you guys later. Yeah, February's price action has been quite terrible, especially for Power Hour. It's just been like, sometimes it's very easy to trade. A good example is like Asia last couple weeks has been the best time to trade. And then 9 o'clock in the morning, pretty much if you didn't get a trade in by 9 o'clock, you're cooked because price action is just very slow and steady. And then Power Hour for the last week has been very shitty. We haven't been getting a lot of like displacement or aggressive price action whatsoever. But yeah, hopefully it clears up with data coming out tomorrow. And then we also have data on Friday. So we'll see. But on that note, take care, everybody. Have a blessed one, and I will see you guys later.